Hello, today I'm gonna show you this new organza saree with printed blouse. I'm gonna first start explaining about the blouse. This blouse comes with 3/4 hands. It's a bell hand, it's a knitted hand, and here are the pearls. It comes all over the hand. The pearl detailing, and it also has piping around the neck, around the waist area, and these portlies come around the waist area, and this is how the neck looks with the netted detailing. And these are the back tassels in dual color, and these are the side tassels with the same dual color. The blouse comes with inside extra margins to adjust the size, and it's a princess cut blouse with pads. Comes with pads. Let me turn this to the other side. This is how the back of the blouse looks. Comes with the same net detailing and piping around the neck. And now moving to the saree. Saree comes with this small mirror and thread work all over, and also it comes with this lace edges. Saree also comes with this fall, and here are the pallu tassels. It's a bird handmade tassels. That's how it looks with the pearl detailing. And yep, that's about it.